Ceremonial cacao is very easy to make, and I absolutely love taking it with me whenever I'm in nature or when I'm traveling. I find that it's very grounding and relaxing. And in just a few moments, I'm going to introduce you to ceremonial cacao and share my simple recipe. Hi and welcome to this video. I am very excited to share with you my ceremonial cacao recipe. I stopped drinking coffee in September of 2020 and I have replaced my morning coffee with ceremonial cacao, which is a very different type of drink. It's got a lot of benefits, and I feel like if I make this video, hopefully that you can try it as well. And if you are somebody who have been trying to reduce the caffeine and switch the coffee habit to something better, I feel like this would be a great alternative, especially if you want something that can also help your nervous system. And the reason why I now drink ceremonial cacao is because it has so many benefits. What is ceremonial cacao? How is it different from normal hot chocolate that we get at the regular store? So ceremonial cacao is 99% different from the conventional dark chocolate or hot chocolate powder that you find at the store. It is made sustainably by fermenting the beans and then stone grinding the beans. So there's very minimal processing involved, and nothing is added or removed from the beans. No nutrients are removed and no chemicals are added. So ceremonial cacao has the highest sources of antioxidants. It also contains properties that reduce inflammation and relax the muscular system. Cacao has 40 times the amount of antioxidants found in blueberries. It contains more calcium than regular milk, has high levels of magnesium, which of course helps relax the muscular system, and it also contains iron, manganese, and zinc. With all of these benefits, really improves cognitive function. It improves creativity. Personally, also notices that it improves my energy without feeling those afternoon energy crashes. So now I want to share with you how I make ceremonial cacao. And of course, there are so many brands out there that sell ceremonial grade cacao. I have tried several brands over the past few years that I like, but the brand that I keep going back to is Cacao with K. And this is the bag of cacao. This is ceremonial grade chuncho cacao from Peru, a wild strain of cacao that grows in Peru. And again, it is sustainably sourced from farmers, very minimal processing. And I have spoken directly actually with the founders of Cacao, and they have shared their story on how they source the cacao, how they test their cacao to make sure it's the highest quality. So I trust this brand. I keep going back to it because I know exactly where the cacao is coming from, and it just tastes so delicious. I usually add about half a cup of water and half a cup of almond milk. You can use regular milk, oat milk, or simply you can just boil water. I am going to add some collagen because this is what I do and I want to share my routine. If you want the cacao to be creamy and thick, I recommend that you blend it just for 2-3 seconds in a blender, or you can also use a milk frother. I do want to quickly mention that if you are a new customer, if you've never tried cacao, you can get 10% off your first order. I will leave the coupon code below this video.